Hey guys, what's going on? Well, it's springtime here, and I have the full screen machine started, and I've had to start this a few times this winter. I haven't driven it because the brakes are really bad on it. So now I'm just running it today, just you know, keep the engine good, oil okay, and carburetor cleaned out and all that crap, you know. Didn't drive it around or anything like that, but took the full screen machine, or not the full screen, but the Hyperion cart and the lawnmower. I don't know what it is with this dang lawnmower here. Oh, hold on, let me go turn the radio down. I don't know what the deal is with this lawnmower, but it's got a slow leak in the rear tire and a slow leak in the front tire, and I thought I fixed it twice on both tires, or maybe one, I don't know, but yeah, for some reason they just keep leaking. I don't know what the deal is, so I just got to fill them up. And I got sick of always looking for my tools and stuff, so I went down to Harbor Freight and got one of these bags, these canvas bags, and put all my tools in there. It's heavy as heck, but at least they're all in one spot now. This is really nice. These little bags you get at Harbor Freight are really, they're tough. Why do I see fluctuation? Oh, yeah, okay, it's that light. Yeah, and hopefully this summer I'll have to take this thing all apart, repaint it, and redo the engine, clean it up. Now I also just got done taking the motorcycle out, taking the trail bike out. And yeah, I'm thinking I might have to get a new belt for that, because the belt is really, I don't know what you want to call it, dry rot, or it's getting really stiff, you know. Not like it used to be, nice and decently soft. It's really getting, I don't know, you know how, well, I don't know, maybe, I don't know, it still seems alright, I guess. I don't know. But this is going to have to be another project too, because I want to take this thing all apart and repaint it and clean the engine up a little bit. That's going to be another project too that I want to do this summer. So yeah. Now when it comes, turn that off. When it comes to the full screen machine here, guys, God, I really want to get these brakes fixed and get a new seat for this thing, or at least build a seat or something. Because yeah, it's not, the brakes is the biggest problem. I mean, I can probably, you know, put some type of foam or something like that on the seat, but the brakes are the biggest problem, and I'd like to hardline it, you know, get some, you know, get a legitimate master cylinder up there, redo the brake, and hardline it back to here, and then couple it into the caliper. But I have to buy all the brake stuff, you know. Well, maybe not, yeah, I would have to buy it, because taking it to somebody else and having them do it for me would cost way more than I can deal with. So yeah, I don't know what about that. Now this is Cody's old Go Kart that I kind of parted out a little bit here and there, but I've really got to take this thing apart, and I don't know what I'm going to do with the frame. I could probably hack it up and turn it into something else, but so I probably tear this whole thing apart and swap out the parts, what parts I can still use, because this thing has just been kind of sitting here literally for 2 years. So the chain is all rusted up completely. Yeah, it's solid. So that's gone. I don't even know if the torque converter would still work or not. Don't know if the engine still works. Probably needs a whole new carburetor. And then the Batmobile has to, I gotta take all the panels off of that and repaint that, but that's gonna cost me a bunch of money too, to buy all the painting gear. And look at that poor thing. Jeez, look at all that rust. Wow, it's really taking a toll on this. Yeah. Dang it. And that doesn't mention all the stuff I got to do around the house here too. So I got to get the kids off the damn computers and get them outside here and start doing some stuff. We want to finish this this fence here too, or maybe even take it down. I don't know, because it was going to be for the cats, and the cats do relatively stay in the yard. But the problem is that they eventually climb up the post and get out. We got to take all this trim, this lower trim right here off the house too, and replace that. Repaint the house. Got to do that yet. Would kind of like to do that. Another thing I got to do is I got to go drop off all this load of crap on the trailer so I can actually use the trailer. And something else I got to do, I didn't realize this, but I have to get new lights and new wiring for the trailer, because the lights are completely shot because we had bees get in there, and the last time I was driving it, when I'd go to turn on left and right turn signals on, I kept blowing out the bulbs. And not to mention, the wiring underneath is corroded, so I got to get a whole new wiring harness for the trailer and new lights, and then go dump all that stuff and so I can use it. I want to repaint that too. Okay, guys, this is just a real quick video, putting this up, letting you guys know about what I hopefully have planned for this summer. I have a few other things too planned also, which is pretty exciting. I'm kind of looking forward to it, and it's something that I'm going to be doing with Cody, and yeah, so maybe we're gonna do it, but I'm not going to tell anybody what it is because I don't know if I'm going to stick to it. So yeah. Anyways, I'm going to be doing a live stream this Saturday. Today's Friday, so it's going to be tomorrow. So when this video goes up, which will be tonight, then it'll be a little shout out, and I'll be going into some stuff on my case and that kind of thing. So if you guys are interested in hearing about what the latest update on that is doing, what's going on with that, then yeah, tune in and watch. So kind of give everybody. But technically, right now, I filed some paperwork. We're just kind of waiting for the final judgment. So yeah, I don't know really. I haven't heard anything from them, and heard anything from anybody. So I'm not too sure what's going on. I have a feeling that they're waiting for me to do something, but I've looked through the rules and the local rules of civil procedure and the federal rules of civil procedure, and I'm not seeing anything that they're waiting for me to do unless it's writing up an order. And because as a party can write up an order and offer it off to the judge, and the judge will read through it, and then if he says okay to it, then he signs it, that kind of stuff. But quite honest, I don't even know. I don't even know if I could actually write something up as cool or pretty as what a judge could really do. So I don't know if they're waiting for me to do that or what. But yeah. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna jump on out of here. I'm gonna edit this video. I'm gonna put it up, and yeah. Then if you're around tomorrow night, Saturday night, jump in on the live stream. I'll probably be starting at about somewhere between 7, 8 o'clock. No, what I'll do is I'll start it at exactly 7 o'clock Mountain Standard Time. That's my time. So that would be like Arizona time and Colorado time, you know, Boulder, whatever. So yeah, 7 o'clock my time. So all right, guys. I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers and my new viewers. Hello, and yeah. But oh, I also got another. Well, I'll wait on that. So, see you guys later.